If you want to speed up or slow down a video or audio file in VLC Media Player, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. Changing playback speed is a great way to save time when watching long videos, review content more carefully, or listen to audio at a pace that feels more comfortable. It's quick, simple, and VLC makes it very easy to control. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once VLC is open, load the video or audio file you want to play. You can do this by dragging the file into the player or by using the Open File option from the menu. As soon as your media starts playing, you're ready to change the speed. Now look at the top menu bar and click Playback. This menu contains several options for controlling how your media plays. From there, move your mouse over speed. You'll see a list of playback speed choices appear. If you want to watch or listen faster, select Faster to increase the speed. If you want a smaller increase, choose Faster Fine. On the other hand, if you want to slow things down, select Slower. And if you need a more precise slowdown, choose Slower Fine. If you ever want to go back to the original speed, simply click Normal Speed. This is especially useful if you're learning from tutorials, reviewing lectures, or trying to get through long recordings more efficiently. You can test different speed levels until you find the one that feels right for you. VLC gives you the flexibility to adjust playback instantly without needing any extra tools or complicated settings. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to adjust playback speed in VLC Media Player using the playback menu and the speed options. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.